Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through the process of creating a thank you page sign-up form and adding it to your Shopify store using the Afflr affiliate marketing application. This is a great tool for your affiliate marketing efforts. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then open the Afflr affiliate marketing application. Once you're on the Afflr affiliate marketing dashboard, we're ready to get started. Next, head over to the settings section located at the top. On the settings page, find and select the Thank You page section from the menu on the left side. In this section, you'll notice an option to enable a Thank You page sign-up. This feature allows you to encourage sign-ups directly on your order confirmation page. To activate this feature, simply toggle the button on the right-hand side. A pop-up will appear prompting you to choose a program. Click on the Select Program button to proceed. You'll see another pop-up where you can change the program. Select the desired program and confirm your choice by clicking the Change button. Now that the program is selected, you'll see a checkbox option to automatically approve referral partners upon their registration. This means anyone who signs up for this program will be automatically approved and will receive their unique referral link or code. Go ahead and click on the Enable button. With that done, let's move on and click the Customize button to tailor the Thank You page sign-up form to your preferences. You'll be directed to the Thank You page editor, which consists of two sections, the Sign-up section and the Confirmation section. Let's explore how to edit and customize these sections to suit your needs. In the Sign-up section, you can adjust the heading text and the body text. Additionally, there's a Terms and Conditions section where you can choose to make acceptance mandatory by toggling the option on or off as per your requirement. Enabling this means applicants must accept the terms and conditions before submitting their application. There's also an option to add an optional message within the Terms and Conditions section. If your terms and conditions include a link, you can enable an option to provide a clickable link. Furthermore, you can customize the text of the button, which currently says, "Create account." Feel free to modify it to whatever suits your needs. Once you're satisfied with your sign-up form customization, proceed to the Confirmation section. Customization. Here, you can change the heading text and also the primary body text. Take note of the curly bracket codes, known as short codes, which you can utilize within the affiliate marketing application. In addition to the primary body text, you can add secondary body text. You also have the Access Dashboard option, where you can decide if access to the dashboard should be granted or not. Enabling this button will make it available to redirect affiliates to their dashboard. You also have the option to include social media links if desired. After completing all your customization, it's time to click the Save and Publish button. You can find it at either the bottom of the page or in the top right corner. Ensure that the status is set to Enabled before heading back. And there you have it. This is how you enable the Thank You page sign-up form in Afflr for your affiliate marketing needs on your Shopify store. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching.